Yep. Right, we have wandered onto the Nifty stand, and Nifty are by far probably the prettiest colours of all the machine. I've got Tom with me, and we're going to just talk about the, what is this? This is the Nifty
TD150.
TD150. Now, it's a little bit different to the machines we've looked at before, but great entry-level machine. TD15, does that mean it goes up 15 metres?
Yeah, exactly that. So the 150 stands for 15 metres, as you quite rightly just touched on. So you have a working height of just under 15 metres at 14.7, with a working outreach of 7.5 metres. So it's got quite an impressive outreach on it too.
Yeah. So ultimately that will get you up above the gutters, and you could quite easily work on a chimney with that.
Yeah,
probably quite good as well for clearing gutters and that kind of thing.
Yeah.
How wide is this machine, Tom?
This is a rigid axle at 1.4 metres wide. We also do a slightly smaller version of this, a 12 metre, which is 1.1 metres wide, but we also have the retractable track option with that, which takes it into 0.8 metres. So you get down narrow access with the domestic work around the back of houses and stuff.
Yeah. And does the basket, is it removable here? Is that everything rigid?
Not on our tracked options, no. Obviously, the manufacturers do offer that, but ours is just on all the time. Yeah.
And do you know, off the top of your head, what this machine weighs? Because I'm assuming that people are towing this to and from site.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. So this particular machine weighs 2 tonne bang on, which essentially means you can get it on the back of a plant trailer and take it to your work application and site and things like that. Focus more on with our trap machine, we would focus more as a more robust, heavy-duty sort of construction site type of work. You know, this machine will go wherever you want it to. It's a typical, real heavy-duty tractor machine. Whereas we find that with some other sort of competitors of ours, they more focus on the sort of low-weight domestic type of work. Whereas this is focused more on a sort of construction site type of work.
Just looking at this machine actually, and I'll be honest with you, I have tipped over my machine when tracking it around on a couple of occasions, but this, it's got quite a low centre of gravity and wide tracks. I imagine it's going to be quite difficult to tip over.
You're going to really struggle to do that. As you said, it's a real chunky, solid looking bit of kit. And again, as you quite rightly touched on, it's got real low centre of gravity. So yeah, you're not going to tip this thing over.
No, I think the Nifty for my application, for what I need, is probably not the machine for me. But we were saying this costs sort of just shy of 50 grand?
Well, no, it's actually sort of like mid 40s. Yeah, mid to low 40s. Yeah, so very affordable for this type of product.
Oh yeah.
And if you do compare another 15 metre trap machine to other manufacturers, as we just quite rightly, we just discussed a minute ago, you are finding that they're a little bit more expensive. Yes, slightly different machine, but yeah, horses for courses. Great bit of kit, sell worldwide, very, very popular in America, very popular for your tree surgeons, your building maintenance type of customer, and yeah, very, very, very impressive machine.
Yeah, sound. All right, well, thanks very much.
Cheers.
Cheers, Tom.
Thanks.
Yeah, happy with that.